Moving on with our next matchup here tonight.
Now, making his way to the ring from Oakland, California, weighing 274 pounds, Warcry.
Warcry, we have not seen since his last man standing match with Jerry the Beast. Did not go the way he was hoping. But after a hard-fought battle of the last man standing and many weeks off, Warcry's returned to TCW and hopes to build momentum in his favor.
From New Orleans, Louisiana, weighing 238 pounds, Butterscotch Lightning.
The first ever TCW Men's World Champion was unable to regain his prize at Hunting Grounds, but it has not seemed to have affected his swagger as he makes his way to the ring with new entrance music. The crowd with a warm welcome for Butterscotch Lightning. Sorry if I sound tired. I've been up since 4 a.m. So, trying to be more energetic. It's not working.
From Philadelphia, Pennsylvania, weighing 236 pounds, Lightning Mike Williams.
Lightning Mike making his return tonight. We found out towards the end of the return episode of TCW Ignition that Lightning Mike did re-sign with us, and we are grateful to have him back. Butterscotch taking it very lax in the corner. Lightning Mike and Butterscotch Lightning going at it. Hurricane Rana takedown. Oh, Snapmare takedown by Warcry. These two had one hell of a fight many months ago. Oh! What a shot to the ribs! Cravat suplex by Lightning Mike, though. Warcry telling him to bring it as Lightning Mike sends Butterscotch into the corner hard. Butterscotch recuperating, though. Oh, and a shot to the midsection. And here takes down Warcry. Oh, and a bulldog on Lightning Mike. Warcry trying to slow down the former champion with the Dragon Screw attack. And a snap suplex on Lightning Mike. Mike's legs got caught up in the ropes there. Oh, and a Samoan drop in the center of the ring. Warcry's on fire here. Float over neck breaker. Russian leg sweep. The loss to Jerry the Beast last man standing match has ignited a fire under Warcry. Butterscotch Lightning doing his best now to try to extinguish it. Northern Light suplex. Mike back in the ring now. Oh, and a big shot takes down Warcry. And Lightning Mike, though, possibly in trouble, gets out of the way of whatever attempt Butterscotch was going for. Gets chucked by a cravat suplex. Michinoku driver, and Mike's legs getting caught up on the ropes again. Butterscotch now wrenching at the legs, and broken up by Warcry. On a DDT planning. Butterscotch. On a dragon sleeper. Mike letting Warcry wear out the former champion. Former champion, I should say, fights out of the submission attempt. Oh, and a flying clothesline by Mike. Mike's kicks connecting with Warcry's knee. And now Warcry drops to the corner. Oh! Warcry interrupted whatever it was Butterscotch was going for, having him fall flat on his head. Right on his head, I should say. I was about to say flat on his face, but I definitely didn't. And a spine buster on Lightning Mike. There's the cover. Lightning Mike gets the shoulder up. Oh, and a shot to the midsection. On a super kick. Spun Warcry around. What a shot. Butterscotch and Lightning Mike now going at it. Oh, huge knife edge chop. Lightning strike. And the cover on Butterscotch. And Butterscotch is eliminated after the lightning strike. And Warcry looking to capitalize. Getting Mike from behind. Lightning Mike now slow to his feet after the shin breaker. Wait, he ducked the warpath. But a big left hand. And another fireman's carry. Takedown. Both men fighting for control. Back suplex attempt reversed into a crossbody. And the cover. Big kick out by Mike. Lightning Mike trying to build some momentum here. He took out Butterscotch, the former champion, but he's got Warcry in his way. Warcry's got him up in a powerbomb position and drops him face first on the top turnbuckle. Mike fighting out of the corner though, but gets caught. Oh, and a swinging neck breaker. Oh, and just repeated stomps by Warcry. Now going after the elbow. Oh, and stomping away at the chest again. Mike bats away whatever attempt Warcry was going for and has him in a side headlock. Elbow to the back of the head now. But Warcry sends Lightning Mike into the corner. Bad intentions by Warcry by putting Mike up on the top rope. Warcry going for a superplex, it looks like. This could be over. Oh, and he hits it. Planting Mike in the center of the ring. In the cover. Lightning Mike gets the shoulder up right before the count of 3. I thought it was over, but Mike says otherwise. But Warcry trying not to give Lightning Mike a chance to capitalize or recuperate here. You can see fatigue setting in, and the superplex definitely took something out of Warcry as well. But now he's getting motivated. And he hits the Warpath in the center of the ring. There's the cover. But Lightning Mike kicked out again, and Warcry backing up in disbelief. Elbow to the lower back now. Got Lightning Mike back in the back of the neck. Snapmare takedown. Warcry with an elbow to the head, trying to think of what it's going to take to put away Mike if he kicked out of the Warpath. Dragging him around the ring. I don't know why. There's the cover. And wait, he's got his feet on the ropes. Ref doesn't see it, but it doesn't matter. Mike gets out. And sends Warcry into the corner. Oh, and Mike raining down fists into the face of Warcry. And Warcry just collapses. Mike went for a super kick, but Warcry ducked it. Oh, and a clothesline. Plants Lightning Mike. Mike, though, not done yet. Oh! And it looked like a bicycle kick. Mike on the middle rope now. Oh, and a leaping punch. And Warcry's busted open. And a senton. Oh! What a vicious attack to the arm by Lightning Mike. Lightning Mike trying to go for that super kick again. But Warcry ducks it yet again. But Mike stays on top. Suplex into the cover. Warcry kicks out just before 3. Arm drag takedown by Warcry. And now he hits the suplex and floats over into the cover. Mike kicks out again. Wait a minute. Warcry hits the elbow into the cover. And it's over. Warcry picks up the victory. The super kick that spun Warcry around. I couldn't help but laugh by that, but Warcry did come out on top. Here's the Warpath that I thought would have ended it. But Mike still had a lot of fight left in him. There's another shot of it. Please don't tell me the replay ends with a goddamn elbow shot. An elbow shot and a clear view of the dirty pin attempt. Is this gonna be the last goddamn of the replay? Yep. Well, besides that, bloodied and beaten, but victorious is Warcry. And the crowd giving Warcry the welcoming he always knows, which is a bunch of boos, but it doesn't matter to him. He's victorious tonight.